Can there be any interesting way to write a landing page? Do all landing pages have to have the same boring structure? I mean, think about it. Among the landing pages we encounter, 80% of them look the same. They have a video, they have a series of images, reviews, long pages with so many sections, and they all look the same, right? So, is there any different way of writing a landing page? Could landing pages be a more different? Hi, I'm Danita, and in today's video, we will see how you can write a different landing page. It's different, but it converts. So, let's get started. The landing page we are going to see today is a landing page of Outwig. Now, what's so special about this landing page? Why is Outwig's landing page not following the traditional norms? Let's see. So, right off the hook, let me just show you a quick overview of how this landing page looks like. So this is their landing page. Now that we've seen it, this landing page is different because it is not a landing page. It's written like a blog. So it's a blog style landing page. Fancy, right? So what's different in it? First, the heading. The title of the landing page is not like your regular landing page. It's titled like a blog. So 3 reasons to upgrade your socks. And above the blog, you can see 3,248 reviews, 5-star reviews. And once you go through the heading, 3 reasons to upgrade your socks, the heading itself tells you that they are not selling you something. It's a blog. So deceived by the heading, you go to read further. You want to find out the 3 reasons why you should upgrade your socks. Now, first heading, increased comfort. They have a beautiful image of a socks and some copy. Let's read the copy. Outweigh makes their socks out of the softest activewear yarns available. Imagine walking on clouds with a nice fresh breeze on your feet. That's what it's like wearing Outweigh socks. Experience everyday comfort on another level. Shop socks. Now, can we just appreciate how well this is written? The descriptive language there, walking on clouds, nice fresh breeze, softest yarns. The words itself help you imagine. You can imagine yourself walking on clouds, the soft yarns, fluffy, fresh breeze on your feet. You can imagine that, right? That's a sign of great copywriting. Our goal as copywriters is to make our readers feel, experience the product. We don't sell the steak, we sell the sizzle, right? So this is sell the sizzle in action. Now, it ends with the CTA shop socks. Then let's go further. All day performance. Outweigh has spent over 5 years perfecting their socks. The result is a seamless pair of supportive, breathable, and Viking socks that stay in place all day long, backed by 3,200 plus 5-star reviews and over 1 million pairs sold, shop bestsellers. So again, a benefit. The heading here is a benefit. They aren't the heading, they've kept the heading small, but each heading here, as you notice, is a benefit. Increased comfort, all-day performance, everyday style. So the last part, socks are ultimate canvas for self-expression. Whether you want low-key or loud, Outweigh has over 100 original designs that will suit your mood. Step into originality and let your personality shine through. Shop all. This is the end of the blog. And now they just have a site-wide 20% discount for email marketing campaigns and reviews. So reviews from real customers. where they've given the customer holding the socks and they are good. And below the review, they have verified buyers. So when you look at this entire landing page, it doesn't feel like a landing page. And that's the beauty of this landing page. A landing page that doesn't tell, I'm here to sell something, right? Mostly all landing scream, I'm here to sell you something. And what happens when all landing pages scream like that? People become wary of landing pages. They already, when they enter in that landing page, on the landing page, they know, okay, someone is going to sell me something. Now, when you know someone is about to sell you something, you put your defense shield on. You don't, people hate to be sold to, but people love to buy. So, this a blog style landing page makes people want to buy. So, it's three things to remember is these type of landing pages are not your traditional landing pages. They are content heavy. Because it's written in a blog style, it will be content heavy. The second part is the heading, the most important part. The heading of these type of landing pages doesn't scream that I am here to sell something. In fact, it screams, I'm here to teach you something. So the heading of these type of blogs are usually in how-to styles or did you know this, 5 reasons. All these type of headings are used in these type of landing pages. Now, CTA, the layout and the what makes this blog style landing page unique is the layout. It doesn't, it's not filled with too many colors, right? You can just see a simple banner here and that's it. Because it's a blog style landing page, the layout of this landing page shouldn't be filled like a blog. It shouldn't be heavily designed. In fact, it should be minimalistic. Just one image, heading, subheading, body, and CTA. That's it. No colors, no fancy headings, no fonts moving here and there, no CTA buttons popping and jumping, right? So, to make these landing pages work, three things to remember is one, the content, be content heavy. Second, you're educating and not selling, the heading. And third, the layout. Don't overdo it. Simplicity should look like a blog, right? So that's all for today. I hope you learned something new. If you learned something new, you liked something, comment below. I would love to read your comments. And if you're new to copywriting and you want to dive a little deeper, I have some free courses. Just browse it. So what you have to do is go to my page, click on this link. Once you click on the link, you land up on my website. And here there's a free copywriting course. If you're not a beginner, you know some things about copywriting and you want to dive a little deeper, there is another course. You can check that out as well. So until tomorrow, keep writing. Bye-bye.